Okay, now we're going to talk about how we saw the powers of 2. For 5 blocks, we were saying there's 1 way to pick 0, 5 ways to pick 1, 10 ways to pick 2, 10 ways to pick 3, 5 ways to pick 4,
and 1 way to pick 5.
And 1 way to pick 5. And when we add this up, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, we get 32.
Which is a power.
Which is 2 to the 5th.
Yep.
Okay. So that says if I count all the different ways I can pick subsets of these blocks, including all of them and including none of them, all of them, none of them,
Yep.
I get 32 different choices.
I have something interesting.
Yeah, what?
Well, when you add up the row, let's just do 1, 2, 1 as an example.
Okay.
When you add up the numbers in the row, you get 4.
Yeah.
And no, it's not gonna work.
Okay. All right. So let's talk about why I get a power of 2 here. Okay. So every time I pick a subset of these blocks, those 2.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to put a 0 where I didn't pick the block and a 1 where I did pick the block.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I pick none of the blocks,
Then you just have 0 zeros.
I have all zeros. And if I pick all of the blocks, what do I
You
get?
have
all
1, 1,
ones.
1, 1.
All ones. Okay. Okay, so and any subset I pick, like here I pick these 3,
Yes.
I get this string of zeros and ones. What does that remind you of?
It's like
Binary.
binary.
It's like binary. Okay, and I get all the binary numbers from 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 up to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And the question is, how many numbers are those? So
Well,
what does the binary number 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 represent?
Well, it represents 1 times 1,
Yeah?
1
So
times 2.
plus 1 times 2,
Okay, so it's 1 plus 2.
plus 4,
plus 8, plus
16, plus 32.
Actually, it's 1, 2, 4, 8, 16.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
1, 2, 4, 8, 16.
Okay.
So now we have to add this
That's-
up,
Mm-hmm.
which is going to be
Let your brother do it.
I think it's 31
It's 31.
because it's
So this number 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 represents the number 31. What does this number represent? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
just 0.
0. So how many numbers do I get starting at 31? Starting at 0, including 0, and going up to and including 31.
it's 32 numbers.
I get 32 numbers.
Yeah. Well,
Look at that. So there's a relationship
between Pascal's triangle and binary.
in binary.
Cool.
Each binary number, like in this case, each 5-digit binary number. Now, sometimes they're kind of weird numbers because you wouldn't normally write this number 111 as 0011. But when I say I want to talk about all like 5-digit binary numbers,
Yeah.
in this case, I mean even the ones that start with zeros. So these numbers all give rise to a choice of selecting some subset of the 5 blocks.
Cool.
Interesting.
Pretty neat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, back to the chalkboard.